Hey guys, PhoneArena here. Greetings from London. We just picked up our Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus review unit and we wanted to show you this quick video sample. Right now I'm holding the Galaxy S10 Plus in my left hand and the Galaxy Note 9 in my right. Both phones are shooting 4K video, but the Galaxy S10 Plus is shooting in HDR10 Plus. So we wanted to give you an idea of what this extra feature makes to image quality. So here are the results. I'm gonna move the camera towards the sun. This is a very challenging scene to take because of the sun glowing straight into our cameras. Once again, Galaxy S10 Plus is shooting an HDR10 Plus video, while the Galaxy Note 9 is shooting a regular 4K video at 30 frames per second. Alright guys, thank you for watching.